I'm Alex Logan. I'm the project director for the Mt Weld Expansion. I've been at Lynas for 12 years now. The project itself is a $570 million expansion of Mt Weld and a significant expansion in capacity at Mt Weld, both from a throughput perspective as well as some of the sustainability initiatives that we've implemented as part of this project. One of the big challenges we've had on the Mt Weld expansion has been ensuring that the construction and commissioning of the project has minimal impact on the existing operation. We are essentially building this big new plant on top of and around the existing operation. All of that whilst requiring the existing plant to keep running and producing concentrate feedstocks for both LAMP and the ramp up to Kalgoorlie. So one of the things we're doing differently on this project is, a big step up in concentrate dewatering capacity. We've got new filter circuits that will debottleneck the existing operation, which are in operation right now, and those circuits will certainly allow a big step change in processing capacity at Mt Weld. I'm most proud of the sense of ownership that our owners team has had on the project. There's an immense sense of personal accountability demonstrated, and that's ownership of safety culture and managing the money like it's coming out of their own pockets. So we have a really great team with a suite of complementary skill sets. They're fully committed to delivering a great outcome for our people and our shareholders, and we're really seeing the benefits of that in the delivery of this project.